Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily send crash reports on YouTube app in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps on your Android device. So if you are also facing crashes in YouTube application, make sure to watch the video till end, because in this video I will show you how to send crash reports on YouTube. First of all, open up the YouTube application, and once you're on this page, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right to head over to the menu, and then tap on the gear icon on the top right to head over to the settings. Now once you're on this page, on the bottom you'll find an option of about. Just tap on it, and here you'll find an option of send crash reports. All you'll have to do is to toggle this on, and now basically whenever you'll face a crash on YouTube, a report will be automatically sent to YouTube, and they will definitely fix that crash or crashing problem on YouTube app. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions,